Welcome to XRP News Channel.
Could XRP be managed like oil? For years, XRP has been making headlines in the crypto world. Part lawsuit survivor, part payment rail, part speculative asset. But now, a new comparison is making the rounds. Could XRP's future look a lot like oil's? That's the question posed by analyst Brad Kimes on Paul Barron Podcast, who says the token may one day be managed in a way similar to the way OPEC oversees crude markets.
Please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news.
The idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. A page from OPEC's Playbook: oil producers have long balanced supply and demand by opening and closing the taps. When prices run too high, governments can also lean on strategic reserves, flooding the market to cool things down. The result? A commodity that is global, essential, and tightly managed. Kimes sees echoes of that in XRP. Ripple, which created the token, still holds a massive escrow of coins. If released gradually and strategically, he argues, those reserves could stabilize price swings, creating a digital market less prone to the wild volatility that defines much of crypto. The slow march toward currency status, XRP already ticks 2 of the 3 boxes of money. It is a store of value and a medium of exchange. The missing third piece, a widely accepted unit of account, could come with time and regulatory clarity. He compares the process to the US dollar's slow rise to global dominance after World War II, a transition that stretched over more than a decade before the dollar became the world's reserve currency. Bonds, crises, and new money. The speculation doesn't stop there. Kimes sees a future in which the US Treasury issues digital bonds tied to assets like XRP and Bitcoin. Think of it as wartime bonds for a financial crisis, new instruments that create liquidity without burdening taxpayers. This, he argues, could solve what central banks can't simply print their way out of: a modern money problem. By tying bonds to digital reserves, governments could inject stability into a fragile system. What it could mean for price if Ripple were ever to secure a national banking license and access to a Federal Reserve master account. Its escrow could transform into something like a digital lender of last resort. Just as oil reserves are tapped during emergencies, XRP could be released to steady global liquidity. It's a heady thesis, and Kimes admits it's speculative. But the oil analogy gives investors and policymakers a fresh lens. XRP may not just be a coin fighting for relevance. In the right framework, it could evolve into a managed global asset. Its price shaped not just by markets but by strategy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See the next crypto news. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.